Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below. And also don't forget to hit the bell button so for more videos update. And here we are. This is my simple recipe for today, the steamed beans, or we call it the Petai beans. And then I make it into halves already, my steamed beans. And let's start cooking, guys. Hello guys, and there we are. We are sauteed the garlic and onion, and then we wait till golden brown, and let's add our steamed beans. Let's mix it together. Then add some sauce. I add some oyster and ABC sauce, and then also the sambal chili. And after that, guys, just mix it, and there we are. This is the outcome. So yummy. There we are, guys. Again guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for the support always, and may God bless us all, and see you till next video again. Hope you like it. Bye bye.